In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the tips on how you can manage your or plan your freelance life and how you can keep on learning. So how we are going to, work on our different tasks. So the first tip is that try to divide your tasks into smaller achievable tasks that can be easily done within 1 or 2 hours. Okay. So first thing is that then we are going to, write few of those tasks, like 2 or 3 tasks per day, and we are going to paste that on our desktop, sticky notes or something like that, which I normally do. There is another trick, which is that try to define your weekly plan rather than daily plan. Maybe I'm busy with my wife, or maybe in a hospital with some kids, so I might need to do my today's task maybe tomorrow. So what I can do is, I'm a freelancer, so I don't need to be I'm not on a job, so I don't need to be focused on the first day or that I want to do the job today. I can skip it to the next day. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write like 10 major tasks which I'm going to complete in the whole week. So I can complete them on Sunday or a Monday or a Tuesday, or maybe on Wednesday, whatever, whenever I feel like I want to work on it. Make sure that it is not related to some deadline, or you are not missing some deadline. So try to create comfort for your life by dividing your tasks on the whole week rather than just one day. So at least even if you are busy and you were busy in a hospital or on a marriage ceremony or a party, try to at least do one task daily. Try to complete one task. For example, you might have tasks like collect the design inspiration for this website. Okay, this is an easy task. Maybe it requires 30 or 40 minutes or maybe 1 hour maximum. Then you might have some learning goals, so try to define that or include that into your tasks, that I am going to read 10 pages from this book, just 10 pages. It will be easier for you to just read that 20 or 30 minutes rather than reading a whole hour, and it will also you will lose your interest. So these are the things you are going to include in your daily and weekly plan. So try to read one book, or maybe in a week try to read 5 pages or 10 pages each day, or maybe just on a single day you can read 30 pages, things like that. So try to keep on learning in this way. If you have skipped like 2 or 3 days, don't worry, you still have 3 or 4 days left in your week. So try to use them. And our human nature is that we need some rest, or sometime we procrastinate, or whatever the word is, that we delay our work. So this is actually how you are going to do that. So try to write tasks that I want to complete at least one task daily. It will help you boost it, or at least sit on your PC or on your desk at least once in your whole day. So once you are on your desk, it will be easier for you to start your tasks and complete them. So these are the tips for today. If you have any questions to ask me, see you soon in another video.